Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm actually in Nashville, Tennessee right now. Just a road trip on spring break because Nashville is awesome for music and I'm a musician. So it's just a place I had to go. I visited Elvis's mansion today, some other cool stuff we're gonna see the Johnny Cash Museum. But either way, in my last video, I got some comments about how to spray cologne or fragrances properly, and today I'm going to show you my spray routine. Just going to walk you guys through my thinking about it, and so you guys can have the most calculated decision possible. The reasons why you would spray a certain way. Now a lot of people have different ways to spray and some slight variations, but I'm going to show you probably the best method for me in getting compliments and just the most courteous way to spray. Okay, so my spray routine, which is pretty much very similar to Melissa Nacional's spray routine, if you've ever seen her, is one spray behind each ear. Okay, and that is because you want the fragrance to be forward facing, but it's not good to spray on your neck because the alcohol can actually damage your skin on your neck and it can make it age quicker. So behind the ears, two behind each ear. When someone's giving you a hug, they can smell the fragrance. One on the back of the neck, and that is to leave what's called a sillage, which is pretty much a scent trail. So whenever you're walking by, someone walks by you or they're walking behind you, they can smell your scent. And then this is what's going to allow people from the sides to smell you. That is one on each shoulder blade. No, I'm not out of it. Okay, so one on each shoulder blade. That will increase the sillage / scent trail even more, which again is a really good thing to have. And also it'll allow people who are next to you, because a lot of times you'll be next to people or people will be around you like that. So it's good to have that sort of scent bubble is what I like to call it. So that is my spray routine. Now, some slight variations. First of all, if you want to be more forward facing, you could spray twice on your chest, on each chest. Oh, and also I forgot to explain another good thing about the shoulder blades or the chest is that it's on close, because fragrances actually last longer and project even more on clothes than skin. So it's good to have, in my opinion, a blend of both skin and clothes, to get the best out of your fragrance. And then also one thing I like doing a lot is spraying on the wrists, just because I like, being able to give someone a handshake or something and they can smell the fragrance from that. Now, for some people also it could be annoying because maybe if you're eating, every time you grab to get a bite, you smell the fragrance. That might be annoying. So I can see why people don't like that. An alternative to that would be spraying on the crevice in your elbow right here. That's a great place to spray. And lastly, it depends on what you're using. For example, if you're using this one is Valentino Uomo Born Aroma. This one is very strong, so I would only go about 5 to 7 max. This is Creed's Silver Mountain Water. This one does not perform very well like most Creeds, so I would even double up on this. I would go 12 sprays. So you just gotta know what you're using. Just don't be that guy that oversprays with a strong fragrance. Thank you.